What's up, YouTube? I am back with another episode. And in the comment section, can you all post or comment? Let me know, have you ever dealt with a wasp or hornet's nest? So in this episode, I got to remove a hornet's nest and I'm going to show it to you. As you can see, it's a pretty big hornet's nest. Now, the PPE I'm going to use, because I've never done this, I'm going to cover myself completely up, because who wants to be stung? In the comment section, have you ever been stung by a hornet or a wasp? So while I'm setting this up, give me a minute and I'm gonna mount the camera. But as you can see over my shoulder, that is the hornet's nest. So I'm going to be putting on some PPE. As you can see, I got some glasses just in case if they try to sting me in my eye. I also have a hood to go over my head. I'm gonna put this over my head so they try to sting me in my face. I'm also gonna put protective glasses. Now as you can see, I got long sleeves. Short sleeves, excuse me, short sleeves on. Short sleeves on. But I'm gonna put on something to protect my arms. Now, I don't know about you. I've never been stung by a wasp. So I got this coverall set up that I'm gonna put on to protect my arms. We don't want to be stung, family. We do not want to be stung. No hospital bills today. Today is a bright, sunny day. A beautiful day to be working outside. So when I got this phone call, I said to myself, why not? And also, I'm going to be using Ajax dishwashing detergent with some water. And all we want to do is pour the Ajax soap in the container. And if they decide to want to attack me, I went over to my big box store and got this electronic fly swatter. It lights up red when it's in use. See the red light? Okay, family, here we go. I'm going to walk up to this and just place this cup underneath the wasp nest. As you can see, in case there's anything was in there. Now I didn't knock the wasp nest down into the water. But as you can see, it's wet with the soap. Now what I'm going to do is take this electronic swatter and knock it down into this water. Here we go, here we go. I'm pressing the button just in case the wasp was to try to jump up. You can see him? You see him? He's in there. He's in the water. I got him. See him in the water? If he come up to the top of this net, it would zap him and kill him dead. So, wow, look at that. Look at the larvae and the eggs of the other wasps. And there he is, dead. So evidently, this method works. The soapy water kills wasps. You see him floating upside down? Okay, family. Until my next episode, you be blessed. That works.